Hello dear subscribers and visitors of my channel. The Christmas is coming, so I decided to make a video about congratulations and wishes in Russian. This is Evgeny Yeliseyev on the channel Russian Language in Detail. The Russian for congratulate is поздравлять. To say whom you congratulate, you need to put the pronoun or the name of the person in the accusative case. Thus, here you will need such forms as меня, тебя, нас, вас, его, ее, их. The difference between the pronouns ты and вы was explained in the video Russian personal pronouns. That's why, if you have doubts in selecting the correct pronoun, please take a look at that video. The link is in the description. To say what we congratulate with, we use the preposition s with the instrumental case. Let's see how it works. The Russian for Christmas is Рождество. Thus, you can say «Поздравляю тебя с Рождеством». Nowadays, it's common to miss the verb поздравлять and say «С Рождеством тебя» or just «С Рождеством». New Year in Russian is Новый год. So, you can say «Поздравляю вас с Новым годом», «С Новым годом вас» or «С Новым годом». The Russian for birthday is День рождения. Therefore, you can say «Поздравляю тебя с днем рождения», «С днем рождения тебя» or just «С днем рождения». You can see examples of congratulations with some other events on my website. Now let's see how to wish something in Russian. The Russian for to wish is желать. To indicate the person whom we wish something, we use the dative case. So, here we will need such forms as мне, тебе, нам, вам, ему, ей, им. To denote the things we would like to wish, we use the genitive case. For example, luck in Russian is удача. That's why you can say «Я желаю тебе удачи» or «Желаю тебе удачи» or «Удачи тебе» or just «Удачи». So, as you can see, the verb «желать» can be missed as well as the verb «поздравлять». But you should still remember that even when you miss the verb, all the things that you wish take the genitive case. Let's see more examples. I will pronounce the words in the genitive forms as they should be used in the wishes, but their initial forms will be indicated on the screen. I wish you. Желаю тебе. Good luck. Удачи. Joy. Радости. Success. Успеха. Successes. Успехов. Happiness. Счастья. Health. Здоровья. Longevity. Долголетия. Good. Kindness. Добра. Wealth. Богатство. All the best. Всего наилучшего. All the kindest. Всего самого доброго. Peace of mind. Literally, spiritual balance. Душевного равновесия. Merry Christmas. Веселого Рождества. and a few more daily wishes with their literal translation into English. You can wish a nice week, day or evening like this. Have a good week. Хорошей недели. Have a nice day. Удачного дня. Literally, have a lucky day. Have a nice evening. Приятного вечера. If the person is going to travel, you can say have a nice trip. Счастливого пути. Literally, have a happy trip. Have a good road. Хорошей дороги. And if the person is going to bed, you can wish him or her have nice dreams or a quiet night. Приятных снов. Спокойной ночи. Что ж, на сегодня это все. Я поздравляю вас с наступающим Рождеством и желаю счастья, здоровья, удачи и успехов вам, дорогие подписчики, и всем вашим родным и близким. Это был Евгений Елисеев на канале Russian Language in Detail. Спасибо за просмотр и всего вам доброго.